area here and this zone here, so about 50, I'd say 54 to the low point of 51, then we should get plenty of support for silver, and hopefully a reaction and a bounce, and it might head higher. Okay, so for now,
before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are going to have a look at gold, silver, and platinum. We are going to have a look at where these three metals have been over the trading week and where they could potentially head over the coming week. Okay, so let's start off with the gold. As you can see at the moment, this month, gold is probably just break even. Okay, so it's not really green and it's not really red, so it's here. We have got this line, this trending line that's trending upwards. We've managed to stay above it, which is positive. We haven't broken below it, so let's see what happens. Let's go into the daily and have a closer look. So on the daily, if you watched our last week's video, you would have noticed that gold was trading within a wedge pattern. So we are still within this wedge pattern. We're going to have a look and keep an eye on it to see whether it breaks up or whether it breaks down. Whichever direction it breaks, that will tell us where it's heading next. However, for the moment, we are still within this pattern, this wedge pattern. So if I follow this trend line here, so this line here, which is quite long term, so if I just try and bring that up, there we go. So this line here, okay, which is back from December 24, we are still following it and we are still above it. So if we stay above that line, it will be quite positive for gold. However, if we break it, then our next support will be around the 3,900 price area, which will be the bottom of this chart right there. Okay, so if we can stay above that and consolidate, we've got a chance of breaking this wedge pattern and then heading much higher. However, if we break this lower part of this wedge pattern, there's only one area of support that I can see, and that is the 3,500 area. So what we're going to do, we just need to keep an eye on that and just see how that develops. If we can get above the upper area of this wedge pattern, then it can head higher. However, if it drops below it, we know 3,500 is where it could be heading next. Let's have a quick look at the 1 hour to see where we are. So as we can see, this is that longer term trend line that we've had since 2024, December 2024. You can see we are still above it. Okay, so as long as we stay above it, we still got a chance of heading much higher. However, if we do fall below it, this is the lower end of the wedge pattern. So we just need to keep an eye on that, which is the 3,900. Okay, let's now have a look at silver. So again, with silver, as we can see, silver is actually down for the month so far. So let's just, however, we can see here we've got a trend line that's going right across this horizontal line, which is the 54. Silver has not broken that line, so that could be quite positive. So let's just go into the daily. So on the daily, let's just have a bit of a closer look. So on the daily, we've got this parallel channel. We are still within this parallel channel, but on the lower side of it, and then we've also got this long-term trend line that's going rising trend line. Let's have a look. So this is from sort of August 25, and we are still above it as well. So we are nearing lots of support zone for silver. So if you can hold this area here and this zone here, so about 50, let's say 54, to the low point of 51, then we should get plenty of support for silver, and hopefully a reaction and a bounce, and it might head higher. Okay, so for now we're just going to watch this zone of 54 and 51. So if you can hold those areas, then we've got a chance of getting a sensible bounce, and silver could potentially head higher from there. All right, let's have a look at platinum. Let's see where that's traded. So again, on the month, platinum is down. So as you can see so far, most of these precious metals are down. Okay, so let's have a look at the daily. So on the daily, not quite a wedge pattern, okay, but we did have a long-term parallel channel which we have broken and confirmed, and we've head lower. Our first initial support area was around the 1,725, okay, which we've broken, and we are now below. It looks like we've tried to get back above it and have failed. So let's just zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is the line here. So you can see we tried to head towards it. We didn't quite get there, and we've turned back down. However, we seem to have a lot of support around that 1,560 to 1,550. So if that area does not hold, the next major support will be the 1,485, and if it gets to there, I would expect some sort of reaction and a rebound and price to head higher. Okay, so let's just go into the 1 hour. Let's have a little closer look at that. So on the 1 hour, as you can see, it didn't quite reach that 1,725. Okay, so it's back to way. So let's see what happens. Will it head lower, or will it consolidate and start making its way higher? But this area here, you have plenty of support, so you can see around here on this chart, plenty of support. So if you consolidate around here, we've got a chance of heading higher on platinum. Okay, so that will conclude the chart for gold, silver and platinum for today. Like I said, if you like what you're watching, if you can help the channel to grow by liking, subscribing, sharing, turning on your notification so you can be notified of our latest videos. And thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.